It's the right time for a vacation with your friends or family. But when it comes to a vacation trip, it's not just the destination that is under question. Traveling, accommodation, feasibility and food are the major queries to address as well. What if there is a one-stop solution that addresses all these requirements in one go? Hey, found it! Motohom it is. With Motohom you can hire a self-driven camper van, which you can drive comfortably to your destination as per your convenience. Set up your own camp with a rooftop tent. Make your own food with the complete cooking accessories and get complete freedom on your budget, time and safety. Traveling, checked. Accommodation checked. Feasibility and food, checked. Save time, money and have the complete pleasure of location camping with no fuss or hassle. Official vendor of Tourism Board. Log on to www.motohom.co.in and book your camper van now. Motohom, utilize time and energy with the comfort of home.